Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, where we are turning script readers into pro salespeople.
All right, guys, sometimes you really just want to know, I like this property, how can I buy it? So the topic today is going to be 4 ways to finance a property.
Yeah, guys, we are focused mainly in showing you guys how to get that property, because that tends to be the hardest part. For the most part, you can get financing for a property. We're about to give you guys 4 ways on how to do it. Marketing there's tons of ways of marketing, but what happens when you get that call, right? That from marketing to getting it to a deal, right? The skills that we teach you is how we kind of get you there. But I know some of you guys asked us about financing, even though that's not like what we like to talk about. We know a lot about it.
It's part of the business.
Yeah. Number 1 is all cash. I personally not a big fan of that option, but yeah, so one way to finance a deal is you literally pay for it fully in cash, whether it's your money or maybe a sibling's money, but all cash, right? So the house you buy for $500 and you come to the closing table with $500.
Yeah, guys, some people got the duffel bag ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
The more, I guess, common route is a loan, right? So then you're going to take out, there's many different types of loans, but the ones we would use is a conventional loan. So that's just one way you can kind of buy a property. You go to the bank, you get a 30-year conventional loan, and you can buy it that way. This is just less money down, you pay it over your 30 years, and you buy a property. A lot of homeowners buy properties this way.
Yeah, and for those who are looking to house hack, that's an advantage to house hacking. So you can buy your first multifamily, let's say, and you can use conventional financing because it is technically owner occupied, right? So definitely something to consider for sure. Number 3 is hard money. So hard money is mostly used by investors. I know we use hard money to purchase properties, not all the time, but hard money is basically almost like a bridge loan, right? So it's the loan you get to get the house from, let's say it's beat up and all that. You use hard money to buy that house, and a lot of the times they'll fund the renovation as well. And if you're going to keep it as a rental, they call it a bridge loan because it's a bridge to get you to that 30-year conventional loan after you fix it up. So that's one way for flips. They also do that, right? So a lot of investors, they'll get a hard money loan. It is high interest rate, but it's only for 1 year, and they'll cover most of the funds needed to buy the house. So definitely a viable option, and it helps you scale as well.
Yeah, well said. And then another way to kind of finance a property is private money. You know, somebody that is just looking to park money somewhere or just wants to invest, and you don't want to have to put that money up. That's going to be private money, which we just talked about in our other video with a private investor. That's who you'd be getting that money from. You would be the one creating the terms and, a payment structure with them, but that's kind of how that would work if you didn't want to have to deal with banks.
Boom. And yeah, guys, if you want to learn more, like I said, about what we're really strong at, just kind of tune into our Sales with Jay and Ron channel.
Boom.